Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn how to install MySQL in your computer. We will be installing MySQL Server and Workbench. So let's come to computer screen. Click on your browser. I have a Google Chrome. Go to official website of MySQL. That is the official website. Just click on this. Click on downloads. Come down, and this is the software MySQL Community GPL download. Click on it. I have a window, so I install MySQL Installer for Windows. It is both for 32 bits or 64 bit. If you want to know what is your computer, which size, you can just write about and it will show you. I have a 64 bit. The first one is MySQL Installer Web Community, and this is MySQL Installer Community. Its size is 435.7 MB. If your internet connection is fast, you work on web installer, you can take this one. But I want to work, so I download this. Computer is asking login or sign up. If you have an account, you can do it. So I am just writing no thanks, just start my download. And this way the file will be downloaded. It depends upon your internet how much time it will take. I have already downloaded, so I'll cancel it. Click on PC, click on downloads. So we have here the installer. So I just double click and you see here it's being installed now. It takes a little bit time. Click yes. Now it's asking which type of installer you want to. When you take developer default, this will install all products needed for MySQL development purpose. You can take this one, or you can take custom one. So it is up to you. Custom one, you have to specify what you want to install. I just click on next. I click on MySQL Server, and MySQL Server I want to take. Just click the product to install. In the application window, come on Workbench, and this is the product you want to install, and come to the shell, and shell I want to install on the three products: MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. Click on next, and it will execute. Now product is being installed. Now first server will be installed, then MySQL Workbench will be installed, then MySQL Shell will be. Now MySQL Shell is installed now. Now all the product is installed now. It takes time. Now I click on next button. I click on next button. My computer name is development computer. It is port number 330. I click on next, give the password now. So I give my password as, and I have to retype again. If you want to add user, you can click here, like I have given username, George, localhost, and I have given DB manager, and the password I have given and medium. Okay. Now password is installed. Click on next. Click on next. Finish. Next, you see this is the workbench. To work on MySQL client, just click on MySQL command line client and write the password that you have given. So now this is the MySQL screen. I write here to databases, all database that is there. I want to create a database. I write create database student. The database is, the student is created here. I want to create a table. I write use student, get into the database, and you write down create table person. Table is person, and I write down here admin number integer not null primary key. So whatever this command you will study later on. The name of student I have written chart 30. Bracket semicolon. Now this table is created. So tables. Now you have person table. You want to do the description of a table. Here see person. So this table is created. To work on Workbench, click on MySQL Workbench. Click on local instances, MySQL 80. Computer will ask you the password. So you write down the password that you've given. You want to save this parcel, click on OK. Now this is your workbench. So this is administrative unit and this is schema. So already we have person name database. You want to create new database, click here, create a new schema. This icon, when you click, it will ask you the schema name. I give ICST schema name. Click on apply. Click on apply. So the code is written. Create schema ICST. Apply. Finish. So you have ICST name database. Schema means database. Okay. When you click on schema, you have table. Click on table. Then create here, create table you can do. So that we'll study afterwards. Okay. So I close this. So I write here CMD and I write MySQL username root and the password. It's not, MySQL is not recognized. Now how to set this? So you go here, select environment variable. We have to do setting an environment variable. First, go to your PC, you go to C drive, you go to program file, there's a MySQL Server 8.0, and this is bin. So this is the path, you just copy it, the path. Now go to environment variable here, click on this, and the path here in system variable, click on path, click on edit, and click on new, and you write down here path. Okay. Now close this, again write cmd and write MySQL -u username root and the password. Now it is working. So give the password. You write here to databases, all database. You understood? Suppose I have created another user, George. So I want to log in. So I write here cmd. I write down here MySQL u, and the username is George, and the password I gave here. So I can connect with any user. I write here to databases. You understood how to log in? So 3 ways you can do by using MySQL command line client. You can do MySQL Workbench. So you understood this is another way. One way is command line, another way command line client, and another is MySQL Workbench. So these are the 3 ways we can work on MySQL. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.